Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: your Microsoft account credentials, PSN active on the Ps5, and the game or app that prompts Microsoft Sign-In installed. Once done, launch the game and choose the option to link or sign in with Microsoft. Make sure two-factor authentication is accessible on your phone or email. This prevents being locked out mid-link. This initial step is crucial because it creates the handshake between Sony's PSN identity and Microsoft's account system, which enables cross-save and multiplayer. Once you choose to sign in, you'll be prompted to enter your Microsoft email and password. Do that carefully to avoid lockouts. After credentials, complete two-factor authentication. Enter the code sent to your phone or Authenticator app, because Microsoft often requires this for new device links. Next, review the permission request. The game will ask to connect profiles and sync data. Accept these permissions to allow crossplay and cloud saves. If you see account conflicts, pause and note the on-screen ID to resolve duplicates. To finish, go to the game's account or settings screen and verify your Microsoft account shows as linked. This confirms sync and multiplayer access. If linking fails, first re-enter credentials and 2FA codes, then reboot the Ps5 and check internet connectivity and system updates. Outdated firmware often blocks logins. As a targeted fix, sign into your Microsoft account on a browser to verify device activity and remove old linked sessions, or unlink and retry. This approach resolves most problems quickly without losing progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.